Welcome to this tutorial on managing Rocket Money transaction tracking. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps users track their expenses and stay on top of their financial transactions. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to effectively manage your transaction tracking on Rocket Money. First, you need to connect your bank accounts to Rocket Money. This allows the app to import your transaction data and provide you with a comprehensive view of your financial activity. To do this, simply navigate to the Accounts section of the app and follow the prompts to link your bank accounts. Once your accounts are connected, Rocket Money will begin to import your transaction data. You can view your transactions by navigating to the Transactions section of the app. Here, you will see a list of all your recent transactions, including the date, description, and amount. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to categorize your transactions. This involves assigning a category to each transaction, such as food, transportation, or entertainment. To categorize a transaction, simply click on the transaction and select the relevant category from the drop-down menu. Rocket Money also allows you to set budgets for specific categories. This involves setting a target amount for a particular category, and the app will track your spending and alert you if you go over budget. To set a budget, navigate to the Budgets section of the app and follow the prompts to set your target amounts. In addition to transaction tracking and budgeting, Rocket Money also provides users with insights into their spending habits. The app will provide you with a breakdown of your spending by category, as well as identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. To make the most of these insights, it is essential to regularly review your transaction data and budgets. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your spending habits as needed. By following these steps and using Rocket Money to track your transactions, you can gain a better understanding of your financial activity and make more informed decisions about your money. Remember to regularly review your transaction data and budgets, and make adjustments as needed to stay on top of your finances.